Hi, I'm Lisa. Welcome to Lily's Design. Today, I will show you how to make these shirts for your Barbie doll. This is a super easy, quick project. You will need to print my free pattern, which you will find down below in the description. Click Show More to find the download link. With 3 of these pattern pieces, you will be able to make 12 different style shirts. I have 2 different necklines, a crew neck and a scoop neck. If you will be making both these necklines, you will want to print this pattern out twice. I also included 2 different lengths for this shirt, a regular t-shirt length and a crop top. If you want it to be a crop top, just fold it here on the line and trace. To make these shirts, you can use any stretchy material. Knit will work best. Another option, you can use an old pair of leggings or shirt that the kids have outgrown. Grab your material, fold it down, grab your pattern. I will be doing a crop top tank. I will fold it at the line, and I will be using the crew neck line. Place your straps on the fold. Trace it out. Pin it and take it to the sewing machine, or you can hand sew this and sew straight down. After you sew the sides, you will cut 1/8 of an inch away from the stitches on each side. Now you want to cut the trace lines. For the neckline, I like to fold it in half and cut it. This crew neck will not fit over the doll's head, so we will cut down the center, then sew a strip of Velcro, one on the outside and one on the inside. Alright, once you place the Velcro on the back and on the inside, place it on your doll, close the Velcro, and that's it. These are super easy to make and take no time at all. For this shirt, I will be doing a scoop neck and using the regular t-shirt length. And I'll trace that out, pin it, take it to the sewing machine and sew straight down. Turn it inside out and place it on the doll. And as you can see, it's loose fitting on the side, and that is because I just put it over her head. I did not add the Velcro. On this doll, I used the same tank top with the scoop neck. I put the Velcro on, and you can see it's a tighter fit. The shirt on the left is without Velcro. The shirt on the right has Velcro. Now let me show you how to do the long sleeve shirt. It's a tad bit different than the tank top, and you will be doing the same process for the 3/4 sleeve shirt. Trace it, pin it on each side of the sleeve. This way it don't move out of place, and you could either hand sew it or take it to the sewing machine and sew under the sleeve and down the sides. After you finish sewing it out, we are going to cut under the sleeve 1/8 of an inch away from the stitches, then down the side. Clip your corners Turn it inside out. Place it on the doll. I just put it over her head. And if you like to add Velcro, just slice it down in the back and it will give a tighter fit in, just like I did with the tank top. And what's great about the long sleeve is you could roll up the sleeves. I like to roll it up twice. Voila! That's it! See how simple and easy these shirts are to make? Now you know how to make all of these shirts. Go have fun stitching them out. And please send me a photo. I'd love to see what everyone does with this pattern. My email is listed below, or you can tag me on Instagram at LiLi'sDesign1. My next video will be posted shortly, and that one I will show you how to put custom prints on these shirts. So be sure to check back, as you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my video, be sure to hit the subscribe button along with the bell. This way, you'll be notified when my next video comes out. And please share my video on your social media. This way, I can continue to offer free patterns. Thank you. Bye-bye.